Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan, and on this Volkswagen Tiguan we have the TSI motor, which is a 2.0 TSI motor, and we're going to go over how you replace your air filter. So to replace the air filter on this vehicle, we have 8 screws that we need to loosen / remove all around this. This is our air box right in front of the battery, and so we're going to loosen these screws. They'll just loosen and come out, and then they don't come all the way out. They hold into place. With those screws removed, now we can pull this up. We don't need to disconnect anything else, and we'll be able to pull out our air filter. And then we take a look in here. If there's a lot of debris in there, you can take a vacuum and vacuum that out. Otherwise, take our new air filter, install it with the rubber gasket up top, and the fins go down, and then we'll be able to just install that like so, and then we'll screw the screws back in. And that would be how you would change your air filter on your 2014 Tiguan. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.